Today's topic is to sort a list of a percentage. There are two methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method 1, that is a basic approach, and a method 2 by using a sorted method. Let's start from the first method, that is a basic approach. First, we are going to initialize our list, and after that we are going to use a sort method and a lambda function over here. So how does this is going to do is we are setting the key to the lambda over here. So what does the key is going to do is key is basically a set of a function on which the sorting comparison is going to based on. So we have set it to the lambda over here, and lambda tends to be the float, and we are using a less slicing over here to remove the percentage symbol over here so that it doesn't make any sort of an error in it. So how does this is going to work is we are going to take the particular element in our list, and after that we are going to remove the percentage symbol in our elements of the list, and after that we are comparing those remaining portion, that is a float element, that is the float digit with the other sort of the elements in our list, and after that we are it out and we are having an output.